The most dangerous air you breathe might not be outside. It might be inside your own home. In the place you believe is safest, you could be exposed to some of the highest levels of pollution. And the worst part, you don't even notice it. Yes. So stay with me. Let's make this clear. Indoor air pollution is the contamination of air within homes, offices, and enclosed spaces. And it often reaches higher concentrations than outdoor pollution. This is because in enclosed spaces, there is nowhere for it to go. Smoke from cooking fuels, poor ventilation trapping pollutants, chemicals from cleaning products and sprays, dust, mold, and biological contaminants. These are not rare conditions. They are everyday environments. And in many cases, they are constant. Now, here's the problem. Indoor pollution doesn't look dangerous. There's no traffic, no factory smoke, no visible haze. So people assume the air is safe. But indoor pollution is subtle. It doesn't announce itself. But safety is not about what you see. It's about what you are exposed to repeatedly. And repetition is where the risk builds. So think about how much time you spend indoors, sleeping, cooking, walking, and resting. You are breathing that air for hours at a time. And in poorly ventilated spaces, the pollutants don't disperse. They accumulate. They linger in the air long after the source is gone. Which means your exposure is not occasional. It is continuous, day after day. This has direct health impacts. Respiratory infections, asthma and chronic lung disease, eye irritation and headaches, cardiovascular stress over time. And for vulnerable groups like children, elderly individuals, and pregnant women, the risks are even higher because they spend more time indoors and are more sensitive to polluted air. Indoor pollution is responsible for millions of preventable illnesses globally, not from a single exposure, but from repeated daily contact. Here's what makes this issue dangerous. It has been normalized. Cooking smoke seen as routine. Poor ventilation accepted as standard. Lack of awareness about long-term exposure. Limited access to cleaner alternatives. So the risk is not recognized, even while it is happening. When something harmful becomes routine, it stops being questioned. And that's when it becomes deeply embedded and harder to change. Just like outdoor pollution, this has real costs. Medical expenses for recurring illness, lost productivity due to poor health, time and income lost caring for sick family members. These are not one-time costs. They repeat, just like the exposure. Households are quietly paying for a problem they don't even recognize. And that makes it harder to solve because what is not recognized is rarely addressed. Solutions here are practical and achievable. Transition to cleaner cooking fuels, improved ventilation in homes, public awareness on indoor air risks, safer household product use, basic housing design that allows airflow. These are not luxury solutions. They are basic protections. A home is supposed to protect your health. If the air inside is harming you, then safety has been misunderstood. And what feels normal needs to be questioned. What's your opinion? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.